Hi everybody, wanted to do an updated tutorial on Instant Connect and connecting with your parents and or students from PowerTeacher with the update. So no huge changes, but if you're on this home screen here, you'll see all of your sections in PowerSchool. There are buttons over here for messaging students, messaging parents. If you click on any of these, you'll be sending that message to everybody in that section. You can also go down here and message all of your parents. So let's start there on this example. It takes a little while for this to load. You'll see this. Now, say you need to only contact a subset of all your parents, you can also go into this contacts here and edit your list by unchecking those folks you don't want to contact in that message. So once you're sure you have the right contacts, then it's just a matter of drafting the message. Notice you can edit the from name, you can edit the from email. This is a do not reply email that it defaults to, but you can change this over to you, because in some cases if you're emailing your classes, you might want them to actually be able to reply. And then the subject here. All your email options are here with attachments and things like that. You can also add merged fields, so if you wanted to say to the family of first name, last name, there's a couple default options there. And then everything else kind of works like a standard email. And then when you're done, you click next and either schedule it to send or you send it right away. And that's pretty much everything.